touch it.
Have a happy moment before they die. Mommy's picking up worms so we can put them in a dot because since it rained, they're all washed up and they're gonna die. So.
Okay, so why can't we put them in with the chickens?
Well, why we can't, he's not dry, so we don't have to put them up yet. Why we can't put them in because they're tortured because they think that they're gonna die.
Because they're drying up in the rain.
And then if you pick them up, they think they're gonna be saved.
Yay.
And then you put them in, and they're like, ah!
And they get pecked to death by chicken?
So, instead of
Two dramatic moments.
Yep.
They think they're gonna die.
Yep. And then they die, really. Then they think they're gonna be saved, then they die, really. So, another one. So, if we do this, they only have one, and then they're saved.
And what about all the worms that we let the chickens eat when we're weeding and the chickens help us weed?
Those only have one dramatic moment. They have a happy moment before they die. Okay, there. Pick up. Pick up.
You sure you're not going to pick one up? You at some point have to use your hand.
I know I am.
They are kind of hard to pick up. They're kind of slimy. Don't poke him to death with the straw.
Does he?
Here.
No.
Just try. It's a little one. Look, he's little. Right there.
Can I hold
Little
like
one.
this?
No. He'll be scared.
Put him on the coat.
No, then the coat gets dirty.
No.
You want to save them and you're scared of them. Do we have to go around saving snakes next?
No.
You guys go around killing them. Right. How about just your finger and I'll let it touch your finger.
Wait, I want to see it.
It's right there.
Is that this place?
I don't know which end is which. It's in one. You can touch it. It's cool. See? He's just slimy. Another attempt. Alexis, when you try and save one. Of course, she has to touch it. What? And they're cute. But if they're not moving, then that means they're dead. So the whole moving is part of it.
No, they can stay still. I'm touching them.
What?
They can stay still while I'm touching them.
Oh, well, you ask them to stay still then.
Stay still.
Okay, now try.
Not walking. Play friends because I'm scared.
Okay. You did a good job. Right? Huh?
Yep.
You saved lots of worms?
Yeah.
This is broke.